Oh dang, I'm really sitting here talking with no sound all this time. All this stuff I just said. Appreciate that, Henry. Big time. Big time appreciate that. That's honestly that's so weird. Cause I had sound on my watch list. I didn't turn it off. But hey, appreciate the heads up. Hey, the sound comes on with the press of a button. But yeah. Yeah, top of the morning, Henry. Top of the morning, Cynthia. Top of the morning, Mass 3DRC. Good morning, Mahishu. Good morning, Jarvel. Good morning, Mom. All right, cool. Good morning, Timothy. Good morning, D Scurv. Hey, good morning. Hey. That's why we try to come in a little early. Make sure we got things situated, everything's under control, so we're not scrambling right when the stocks are scrambling at open. So yeah, good good morning, Rodney. Good morning, Twitch. Good morning, Achuhu. Yo, what is this? There is actually green on my chart this morning. I forgot what the feeling is like. Forgot the feeling. It seems like it's been a while, but hey, it's all good. It is all good. Yo, look at Tesla. Tesla is hey, it's a soldier this morning. Got knocked down hard all the way down to 215. Like, hey, just Monday. Monday it was up at hold up, listen. Monday it was up at 304. Knocked down to 215, but hey, it's still here fighting. Up 6.2 on the day. That's cool. Hey, Janae, good morning. CCAA corner, top of the morning. Yeah, it's a green day. Hey, yes, we all hope that what was it? CPI came in. Here, let's pull it up real quick. Yeah, CPI came in below expectations, which I know we see some more red. Oh wait, hold up, y'all can't even see it. Let me slide that over. I know we see some more red, but hey, it's actually leading to some green. So that's cool. That's cool. Um, yeah, some developments and things that might be going on. Yeah, over here looking at SoFi, looks like might get to take some profit on those today. That's like the first thing I think I'm possibly looking at. What else? Oh, so I'm in on TTD. Tesla should be in the green today, or at least to start the day. Yeah, might take. Yeah, I would like to take some profits on SoFi because I'm not just trying to be in everything. I didn't get in. I don't think I took any trades yesterday. Not even after hours. I kind of looked, and there was a point I was like, at this point on Apple. Apple came down here to this 217 level. I was like, I'm gonna wait, and yeah, they pulled back. I went back, saw this other zone. I'm like, yo, if they come here, I'm sniping. But they didn't. They didn't. So I was like, hey, it is what it is. So yeah, Apple held up in a demand zone. They didn't really do much of anything. But yeah, so right now, SoFi looks good because those are actually in the money, almost 50 cents now. Let's see. Let's see. Review for success. Scalp Tesla call. So I still have that Tesla call I grabbed a couple days, and actually looking at it, let's take a quick look at the simulator. See how much we should. Hey, I want to say I bought in for like 85. Bought for 85. It's estimated to be worth 103. Hey, that's not a bad return in my opinion. So hey, we'll see what happens with Tesla. I I would like to see Tesla come fill this gap today. So 262. If it moves up there, yo, that Tesla that call, hey, that's gonna be some money. All right. So hey, we'll see. We'll see. Hey, my life be like good morning, top of the morning. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see how it goes. I mean, I kind of like that we got this pop and now it's kind of pulling back. That way it can still kind of like go. after the pop. So in my eyes, this is good. If it wants to open up, pull back a little bit, that's chill with me. Is it Tai? A pony? Top of the morning. Or is it T? I don't know. Tai. We'll go Tai. Jack. Jack. Top of the morning. Eddie. Good morning. Hey, top of the morning, M says. I'm in 4 plays TSLL. Okay, I feel that. Hopefully you didn't get that one out of the money. I know we got the, yeah. Hopefully, yeah, TSLL. Hey, SoFi. Hey, you should be good to lock those in if you got the same SoFi as me. I think you did. Apple. Apple is going to take some patience. So when it comes to prioritization, I would probably go SoFi, Tesla. I don't know how Coke's looking. Let me do a quick look at Coke. I don't know which way you got Coke. I don't know if you got a call or a put. I feel like you said you were looking. I feel like you said call because you heard about the stock split. But yeah, we're still playing this range. But yeah, I would say if Coke is holding that level, you can kind of still chill. IQ so real, top of the morning. I'm in the SoFi plays also. Hey, yeah, SoFi is hey, those are in the money, so that's good. Yeah, definitely have to take some profit on those. They all look so good, and yes, good stuff, good stuff. Yeah, yeah. Coke might have to be one that I might have to grab 10 shares of Coke. Let's see if I can make the money to do that this week. I was like, I wanted to take some money out for myself this week. But yeah, if I can make an additional, what, I guess about $700, yeah, that would be cool too. So I can buy about 10 shares of Coke in the Roth. That'll be cool. I'm down with it. I'm here for it. I'm still trying to get all my contributions in for 2024. I think I need, let me see. Let's see how much I need until I'm all contributed out. I still have about like $2,700 that I can contribute until I'm all maxed out, and I have about a month. I got a month to get $2,700 in there. All right, let's see. All right, working my way through your beginners playlist, learning. Hey, good stuff. Hey, hey, I'm not even going to say that's 100% a beginner's playlist. Like the watch list, the first video, you could kind of call that beginners. But honestly, if you practice, if you just like over time, if you just continue to practice that stuff, I don't think you're a beginner anymore. I would say you're leveled up above a lot of people. Honestly, you probably leveled up above me a year ago. Let's see. Breeze, top of the morning. Yeah, great day to have a great day. Yes. Yes, it is. I got the sun shining. I'm in a different room, but it's all good. Am I still? Yes, I am still in Google. That's just a different account. Let me see what the expiration date is on that Google real quick. Just okay, I got to the 17th. I might here. Let me take a look at Google. Let's take a look at the structure real quick. So Google. Oh, let me look at it. All right. Oh wait, hold up. Yeah, if Google hasn't, so this is me saying this. Hey, you can remind me and whatnot. But if Google has not made a move by the end of March, if Google is not at least 180 by the end of March, I'm out of this trade. Okay, hey, take my word. I might need to be reminded, but If Google is not at 180 by the end of this trade, I'm out. Like, I need to be out of that. And like, I care about it more because it's in my that was in my Roth, so I don't need to just let options contracts go to like expire and stuff like that in my Roth. So let's take that back to Apple. All right, let's see. Hey, Creative Minds, top of the morning. About to nibble off some QT or QBTS and going along with SoFi. Hey, my Ion Q is kind of popping off a little bit. I think last I checked, I'm up 10% on it since I bought in. Call on KO is a move. Hey, potentially be aware that they are in a weekly. They're on a weekly chart. Coke is in the here. Let's go. It was oversold yesterday. I don't know, or overbought. So I mean, maybe. Right now this is still the range. I would say this kind of 70-30 level. Up to about 72. So honestly, it could be the move. I'm not going to play it, but it could be the move. Let's have a green day. Hey, it looks like we're off to a good start. We got 1 minute till the market opens. Let's get it. Yes, let's get this bread. Sean, good morning. Rocket Lab. So I mean, still, I guess I'm not sure the validity of the trend line I drew on it, but it's like doing all right. It still has some more pulling back that it can do. I'm going to say that. I personally, myself, wouldn't take interest until 10:35 here. The market's open. I want to like check in on some of these contracts. Just want to kind of see how things are looking. All right. Yeah, so market is open. And I guess give the stocks a little bit to do their thing. All right. I'm gonna pull Apple back up over here. Let's see. Okay. All right. I believe if Bitcoin closes above 84K by end of the month, so since me personally, I have Bitcoin probably needing here. We can actually take a look at it real quick. Where we at? So Bitcoin, I would say, needs to come retest this trend line first here. If we look at it on a weekly, like we got the break, but often after you get a break of a trend line, it'll come up and retest it before going down. So ideally, in my eyes, this week might look like, hey, we come back up here, retest this, and then we come down and fully fill the gap. And then from there, we can either come lower or we can come higher. Like say we come retest over here. And it's possible, like if we follow this trend line, we retest over here and we make a new high, but we're still down, and then we, you never know. So just kind of keep an eye out. All right, let's see where the SoFis are. All right, so SoFi is at 126. It's up 30% from where we entered. That should be, it keeps moving. I was liking when it was in the 12s, but yeah, let me take a look. I might be ready to lock in some profit. Ty, hey Matthew, I'm new and I did a Palantir option call out to May at 170. Not sure. When you say 170, is that what you paid or is that the strike price? Like, is that the price you have Palantir going to? Let's see. Let me go to Moomoo. All right, SoFi. Y'all, I'm trying to take a win today. I'm up 32% on SoFi. It could keep moving, but I'm gonna go ahead and take my profit right here. Like, honestly, it could keep moving to 12. Honestly, hold up. Let me display some patience. Things are looking good. Yeah, I'm gonna hold out for now. Okay. In a perfect world, Apple. Oh, I don't think the world is that perfect. Apple likes to move on its own time, unfortunately. But yeah, Apple, yeah, there's that gap up there for Apple to move to. So yeah, Apple's gonna move on its own time, but I think like it can get there. Jason, top of the morning. Yeah, so Ty, I I personally I'm gonna throw that in that is a wild option category just because I'm gonna say the likelihood, I'm not gonna say it's impossible, but the likelihood is I'm gonna say is fairly low. But it's not impossible. But and it's like it's even possible that you can make profit on it. I'm just gonna say your odds are like really low on that, in my opinion. Yeah, SoFi was just over. The highest I've seen SoFi hit was like 1206 today. I think we can get to 1250. I think today we kind of like maybe we sell off a little bit at the start of the day, but I think we can move. That Tesla call that I had got is up at so I got in at 85. I think this has me adding it at 88. It's up at 110. So anyone who got that same call, hey, it's moving. LMAO, great day to short Tesla. I wouldn't. That's not something I would do at this spot. Like if you, oh wait, hold up. I mean, it could be like depending on what point in the day you do, but it's not something I would do at this point. It's like maybe if we come up to this spot up here, this level of resistance, 263 or something, it's like, oh yeah, it's like potentially. But I still want to see what it's doing at that level. Maybe if we get up to this like 280 level where this trend line is, it's like, all right, yo, you're probably cool for a quick short, but Tesla has some good going for it right now. So me personally, I'm against going against it today, but hey, that's all you. Let's see. Josh, top of the morning. Paulisa, good morning. Hey, no problem, family. No problem. Hey, shout out to the 20 people that scroll down and smash the like button. Hey, y'all are. Where would we be without y'all? Let's see. Meta. Now, I don't typically play Meta as much just because it's. So, Meta's in a demand zone. It looks good for upside. Meta is bullish. Hey, that's all I can say about Meta. Like, it's bullish. I would watch it to this 655 level. That's kind of if it gets above this like 633, the next level I would try to ride it is to like 655, but the next level of resistance is going to be around 642. But yeah, I would try to ride to 655 if it could. Let's see. Here, I'm gonna pull Apple back up. All right, let's see. All right, top of the morning. Appreciate y'all smashing the like button. What am I looking at today? Right now these. So eyes especially close on Tesla and SoFi right now. I think Tesla, like I would love to see Tesla come fill in this gap today, and I would love to see SoFi get to 1250 today. But I could see it taking time. I feel like today is going to be like kind of a slow move up. But yeah, I would like to get out of these by the end of the day, ideally. Let's check the progress on the Tesla option. All right, so that Tesla option is up from the time we added to the watch list 50%. And I actually got in for $3 less. So yeah, Tesla, that option is, hey, honestly, it's good to go. Make sure I got an alert on there. Okay, what? Okay, cool. Hey, Yoko, top of the morning. Okay, Tesla at 250. 250, Tesla's going for it. Hey, made a $95 profit on your Tesla call. Hey, good stuff. Review for success. Hey, top of the morning. It's John, right? Yeah. Let's get it. Hey. Yeah, these stocks are hey, cool. Yeah, just making sure. Oh, you know what? I forgot to upload that video. I still have the video. I just haven't or I think I might have uploaded it. Let me see. All right, let me check over here. Hey, Levi, top of the morning. Yeah, real quick, let me see if I uploaded that video. Oh yeah, it's kind of like drafted. Let me it just asked me if I wanted to monetize it. I'm not gonna monetize that. All right, hey, one second, John. I'm about to shoot you the link for that video. Let me just run over to Instagram real quick. Dang, Loki, I need to. Oh, there. Okay, I found our message. I was about to say. I was like, dang, I need to go back and find our message. Let's see if that's the right one. All right, yeah, I shot you the link to the call, so that way that's not at the back of my mind. All right, should I call to I'm not at this point I would not chase the trade. I would say if you got in on the call on Tesla now, you're kind of chasing. The options premiums are very high, so I would not just enter a Tesla call here. It's like I entered the call over here at 226 because I'm like, yo, there's a good chance Tesla moves a lot. But over here, like this move with the price that options are, I don't like it personally. Top of the morning, Dorothy. What do you think Tesla is going to? Honestly, I don't know about close because it's also possible Tesla can come to where I'm targeting and move right back down. So it really depends on like the speed that things want to move at today. So there's like I'm not a fortune teller. It's like I can say, "Oh, it's here. It might come here next." I'm not I can't predict time. Hey, what's up, Colin? What's up? Hey, Colin, we've been back, bro. Hey, we've been back. But yeah. Hey, Colin, it's been a minute, man. But yeah, we're for sure back. But if you're talking about the market coming back and growing, bro, um, I'm not even lying. There is more pain ahead for sure. This is a year to add up, load up on shares. Um, but yeah, we got some short term green. Maybe this month turns out to be green, but there's a good chance that we will make more lows on the year. But yeah, I would like to think that like if we're looking from the standpoint of the SPY, we're down here at like 560. I think we can get anywhere from like 590, 580 to 590 on a pullback before trying to come back and make a lower low or something like that. All right, let's see. I think there's going to be more downward shifts. So I think there's going to be a pull up before we get down, but yeah, I think there's going to be more down before we go make new highs. Especially with Tesla, it might hit. Um, yeah, Tesla might go on to make new lows, but yeah, I think Tesla could come retest this. Actually, it kind of did do a retest, but yeah, I think Tesla can come back up to like 280 if it wants to before going to make new lows. Yeah, it's wild. Brandon, what's up with Palantir? It looks like it's still in that same range from yesterday, price wise. All right, we got some stuff pulling back. SoFi is getting rejected. Maybe should have taken those profits. Maybe. I think it can. I think it can still do. This is kind of what I was wanting anyway. I wanted to pull back, kind of to start the day. All right, and should get some data here on the PCE in a minute. Been trying to grow my TikTok. Hey, yeah, I saw like your latest one. I went I went through and I like pressed the like button. I'm not sure if I commented, but hey, you got a you had a career change, and I've seen you on the fitness, bro. I've seen you grinding, bro. Seen you doing some traveling too, bro. I'm like one of your biggest fans, man. So just been a head down. Keep it locked in, bro. Keep it locked in. No, yeah, this market is straight insanity. Honestly, to everyone that is new trying to make moves in the market right now, understand like if you've seen like a popular video on my channel, me doing stuff like me getting cheap options, stuff like that, that doesn't really work right now. Like the stock market it's on crack right now, and yeah, it's like all those tricks and stuff. People are like, hey, can you make another $20 options video? Not right now, I can't. Until I feel like we get an environment where that can happen, which, if I'm being honest, I'm not sure that is something that can really happen this year. These markets aren't friendly to just like brand new people. Good morning, Apple mate. Yeah, I mean it's poised to go up. Sometimes it just wants to like trade sideways. Like this over here, it chilled in this range for here. This is February 14th to honestly, it was still in the range. I'll say it kind of played in the range until yeah, that's almost like 2 weeks almost. Let's see. Sticking with the running. So I'm still running. Like I definitely still run. I haven't been going to the run club as much just cuz like for me it's like a long drive, but yeah, I've definitely still been running and like getting it in. Yeah, like I got to have something going on. So yeah, I run, I lift, and yeah, I want to like get into jujitsu, but I also want to Like I'm not like signed up for a marathon or anything, but I want to. Like I want to like do one. I want to like get one done, just to say I did it. Then I'll start training for the start doing jujitsu or something like that. Let's see. Might be a red day. I'm hoping not. I'm thinking things should go well today, but hey, it's possible. I think like I'm hoping for some kind of scare to start today, which is nice. Dang, they did sell the PCE off though. It's at 65. But yeah, we'll have to see. Have SoFi closing 314. Hold on 1 second. Let me see the expiration for my SoFi. Oh, I got SoFi for April. Okay, yeah, I'm still chilling on SoFi, but I would say yeah, if you have like a super short term on SoFi, I would I would take profit on those. It's just a little different for me because I got a month, and so I'm like I know I can get that move in that time frame. Let's see. Apple put till Friday. I might be cooked. Oh, you got the Apple for Friday? No, yeah. In this market, you got to either be like at the money or have time. Ideally, you have a combination of both because you will get wrecked. It's like if you don't have the balance for the trade, just don't make the trade. But yeah, this market will destroy you. How we feeling about Apple today? Apple may not do anything today. And it's like I'm okay with that. That's fine. I would like to see Apple come dip below. If Apple dips to this 217.50 level, or if I catch it in this, ideally it quickly dips below this level and comes and hits this 216.61. Yo, I'll grab something, but otherwise, nothing's going on. I'm still feeling pretty bullish on the day though, if I'm being real. But yeah, we'll have to see what happens because this candle on the SPY is legit. Oh, it actually went black, but we still got 2 hours on it. So MMA the way. Yeah, yeah. I'm gonna have to get into something. Do we think Tesla got rejected at 231? I mean, on a lower time frame. I mean, it looks closer to 252, or you said 251. Look closer to 252 to me, but yeah, it looks like it. There is a previous. Yeah, I can see why you're saying 251. So actually, yeah, that might be a little better to say. Hey, Jeremy, top of the morning. Tesla goes up, Uber goes down. You can't. That's wild. Let's take a quick look at Uber just to see the correlation. Yeah, that's kind of wild. But it did so it did hit this demand zone, popped up. That was probably its demand zone move. Uh from there, if it really does kind of die, that's the next area. Or at least based off a 4 hour. Can I get the There we go. Hump day. Oh yeah, it straight up is hump day. Yeah. Happy hump day on the hump of the week. All right, let's see. Hey, let's go up on the hump, but let's not let this be the hump of our portfolio this week. Hey, top of the morning, Steve O. Bill Trap on Bull Trap on Hims. Let's see what Hims is looking like. Yeah, I still waiting for Hims to pull back down to these levels. But it's all good. Oh, let me take a quick look at IonQ real quick. Yeah, because I straight up picked up some shares right here. I'm going to try to trade some of them and have the others be profit. But yeah, I definitely got some shares over here. Ideally, it doesn't come lower than that. Actually, yeah, ideally, it doesn't come lower than that. And so that's about 67%. That's cool. Yeah, we'll have to see. We'll see what happens. Where's resistance on Tesla 1 hour? Kind of where it was. Yeah, about 253 or so. Yeah, let's look at a 5 real quick. 5 minute. I mean, we're still riding the 5 EMA on the day. For now. But yeah, it kind of needed to pull back anyway. Let's see. Jace, good morning. Hey, good morning, family. Finally some green. Picked up some monthly. Hey, good stuff. Good stuff. Thought you didn't have any more money. Hold on, let me check some stuff. Low-key, I forgot what I was checking. Alright, so PC is kind of been rising since it's open. Dang, they're selling the SPY off. So yeah, the SPY pretty much playing the range. It's kind of like sickens me a little bit. Here, let me check some stuff on Moomoo real quick. Let's see. Fed now seen resuming interest rate cuts in July versus June based on let's check in on how Nvidia is holding up. They had a pretty good move to start the day as well. Yeah, they're right here at resistance. Tesla trying to pull back. It's trying. Okay. Had to sell some positions and hustle a little cash, but here we are, resilient over here. Hey, yeah, as long as it's going to the long term, it's all good, all good. Yeah, it's like times like these, I'm more inclined to put money in my long term as opposed to like just trades. All right, yeah, let's see how things hold up. Hopefully this move is like a little scared before we like continue up. It's like oh hi, y'all thought we were going up. Psych, that's the wrong number. And then it's like yo, nah. But for real though, we're going up. We're going up. But we'll see what happens. It's like every candle is like writing a chapter or a line or a paragraph to the story. You just gotta keep reading and see how it all plays out. All right, how you feeling about PayPal? Haven't really looked at it for trade purposes, but I've been picking up like I want to say I've been buying like $5 or $10 a day worth every day. Let's see. It's in a. I want to say this is a weekly demand zone, so I could see us making a move back up to around this $80 level from where we are. It just needs to kind of get going. Like whenever it actually wants to start moving, I could see that happening. But if we get a weekly close below here, that next scoop up level is actually going to be around this down here in this 61 to 57 range. So yeah, it doesn't matter how I feel about it, but hey, that's just what I see. That's what it's showing. All right. Hey, Sir Swing. Hey, message from Sir Swing. Hey, hit the like button, good people. Yes. All right, I've been adding to my Roth with this dip. Hey, good stuff. Good stuff. Hey. Yeah, that's what we want to do. This dip is amazing. Yeah, max out that Roth and yeah, this is the time to do it. Like especially like looking out 1 to 2 years from now, you'll be like, man, like I'm so rich. Even the stuff that it seems like, yo, it's the end of the world for. Like as long as you're not just buying like just poop, you're good. Unless it's like a poop kind of like what is it? What do they call those things? NFTs. Those don't even really have value anymore, do they? Bro, that's kind of wild. All those people buying and selling those bored apes. Also, top of the morning, top of the morning. Oh, let me change it to live chat. All right, 70% of the chat says we're going green today, so we gotta. That means we gotta be green today. I mean, we are technically green today. So, I mean, the job is already done for now. Oh man, the NFT scams. Glad I never. Hey, for real, bro. I knew some people like that had like some expensive ones. It's like I had like a cheap one, and I was like, oh, I was like, let's see what happens. But I had like one. First off, the money I had in there, it was mined, so it's like cool. And honestly, it was like maybe like 2 days worth of mining money, which was maybe like probably like $80 worth. So I was like, hey, we'll take a chance. We'll see what happens. But now, yeah, nothing ever came of it. And actually, I think they gave the money back because they couldn't execute on what they said they were going to do. So yeah, they just gave the money back. So I was like, cool. And I actually think I technically still have access to it. Like I think I still own it. So look at Tesla holding up on that little EMA. This is what Tesla likes to do. Honestly though, so if we are playing Tesla or watching Tesla, what we want to see is that we push higher than this now though. We don't want it to make like another top here, because then you get kind of like a double or triple top situation. And when you do that, it's like usually, oh yeah, we're gonna make like a return of the move, and then maybe we see ourselves back down at like 240 or something. So yeah, we'll kind of have to see. But I'm not sure how much it matters since it's a 5 minute chart. But yeah, there's a little gap down to 247.44. Yeah, let's see if we can get a candle close above this 250 area. My thoughts on Hood. Um, there's not really too much to say about it. Right now, it's in a downtrend. Supply zone is going to be between 744 and 741. Right now, it's like directly in the middle of its kind of. Here, let me squeeze this down. This is the range. So it's like pretty much directly in the middle of it. So I personally, there is not a thing I would do with it right here. It's like at this 3350 area, I would be cool with buying calls, or yeah, getting calls, and up here I'd be cool with getting puts potentially. But right now I'm just, nothing's going on. Yeah, Apple is very much big chilling right now. Yeah, but it'll make a move when it wants to. But Tesla is the story right now. SoFi is trying to, like, it's still in the money. It's trying to push. I just want to see the candle like close above. Like I want to see us kind of break out again. Once again, I still think we can get 250. Yeah, but Apple is very much stuck. Honestly, would not surprise me if nothing comes of it today. Hold on, let me check the expiration on Apple again. What's All right? So not this Friday, but next Friday. I'm cooling with that for now. We're chilling on Apple. All right, let's see where this candle with Tesla closes. We got like what, like 3 minutes on it. Yeah, they love to run these stock prices places. Let's see. Here, let me show. Hey, Nvidia. Let me look at my watch list this morning. I actually had resistance at 114, so that would mean like that was kind of a good place to grab the calls. So yeah, ever since Nvidia, let's watch it on a lower time frame. Here, I'm gonna make this one SoFi. But yeah, let's watch Nvidia. Let's see what it's looking like on a 5 as well. Oh, it straight up popped it here. Let me find the levels on Nvidia real quick. Dang, that TTD died like so hard. Hold on 1 second. Did you set it? No, I did not. Just yeah, right now in these markets, I don't. So no, I don't have a stop loss. I usually set them when I'm like up, but as of right now, I still see like a zone just below Apple. Like where is it? Like looking at Apple, like right here. I would say if it loses 215, I'm 100% out of it, but I would like to see it like touch here for a second. Hold on 1 second. What is going on? Okay, we're good. Yeah, I would say next area to watch on Nvidia is probably about 218. All right, Tesla looks like it might send us for a little run. Not like when I say send us for a run, I don't mean like oh it's going to run. I mean like oh it's on the games. It's not just straight up going for it. Okay. What was your call on Apple? It was I think a 227.50 call that expires next Friday. Yeah, that was the move on Apple for me. Honestly, if it comes back down here, I'll grab like I still have some cash. I'll grab something a little probably closer to the money. Hmm. Look at the stocks go. I'm just stocking around. All right, let's I'm gonna kind of like cycle through, see if I see anything. Let me close that off. I was giving my friend an example. We still got the VIX dropping. That's good. PCE. Dang, Boeing. Stuff 146 up to. Okay. Firm. Hey, SoFi. Yeah, we really may just have to wait for the pops. Oh, Google really are just chilling right here. Bro, this trade desk is ruthless. It ripped through that. Yo, it's down here. There is. Yeah, let's go to the monthly on trade desk because I still don't even know what to say about that. Is this even a... Yeah, I guess this is technically a... Yeah, trade desk might just... It's like at the price I'm in, it's like I may as well hold now, but that could actually get worse. That's why the larger time frames are king ultimately. All right, Intel. Oh, Intel got a little gap up today. SMCI. What happened with SMCI? Was there like a catalyst? Stock surged 11% after a buy rating and a $60 target. Yeah, I didn't know what was up with SMCI yesterday. Is that it? They just got a analyst upgrade? C3AI. Meta. So something that I noticed is app loving right now. It looks like they... Here, let me look at them on a weekly real quick. This is a real area of interest over here. But they look like they broke a kind of short-term trend line. Or broke this trend line. It might be a fake out. They could end up coming back down. But yeah, they're selling off. Tesla put if it gets to 245. For me, I'm not just gonna grab a put on Tesla. Here, let's actually let's see if we can, if there's a trend line here real quick though. All right, so yeah, there's a trend line like right here. So honestly, would be interested to see if Tesla holds a trend. So to me, you kind of know by if Tesla goes to 242 or not, or holds at 242. So yeah, it's possible that this could be a good spot to short Tesla. It's possible, but like right here, I would say 245 is an early call. But yeah, right now it does look kind of like a little bit of over a double top action. But there's also a reason personally I don't trade on this time frame, because it's like you see double tops on the lower time frame, and it's like telling a different story on the time frames that actually matter to me. Really got me wishing I took the what is it? Took profit on SoFi though. Red day with a lot of bull traps. That's honestly what it's looking like. Yeah, looking like got gobbled up. Yeah, had the catalyst and everything, but yeah, it's looking like they don't even care right now. Yo, my ring camera keeps going off. It's very annoying. All right, let me go back to looking. Fubo's perfectly break even. IWM. Yeah, that was pretty much just one chance. Did not see profit take profit quick enough. Let's see. Ion Q. Let's see. Here. Crazy day went long Tesla, then short QQQ. I'm walking away. Crazy. Hey, yeah, wild movements. Honestly, very, very wild movements. But it gets wilder, because honestly the movements aren't that wild. We got our little morning move, up then down, and then now we're not doing much of anything. Do I haven't? Oh, the only thing I have that expires this week is the Tesla. Because I think for most of the things I was looking at, I'm really expecting like something like a large move up by Friday. So tomorrow we have the PPI, and then Friday it's just an options expiration. So I'm thinking with all the puts that have been bought this week, and then all the puts they're still trying to get people to layer on, that there will be some kind of move to the upside, but still not happening yet. So hopefully we get that by Friday move. Oh, Lunar, hold up. Let me dang. Shoot. Intuitive Machines as oh, they've taken that move. All right, next level for this. My goodness, I didn't even realize. Yo, so the last gap that has not been filled is going to be down to, that's kind of wild. Yeah, Lunar came down. Yo, people were trading it up here. That's crazy. Okay. I'm gonna have to load up on that when it really gets back. All right, let's see. QQQ is always a harder chart to read for me. Um, Usually, what I say is if something is difficult to understand, there's like a bunch of others to look at for a reason. So like SPY and the Qs are pretty much identical, except for the SPY is taking it more today. As of right now, looking at the Qs, overall it's in the downtrend. And then there's not much to say. Right now it's consolidating. It's like it looks like the consolidating range is going to be, we'll say from like here to maybe like here. But this is based off a 4 hour. So yeah, right now we're still between this like 477 and 469 range. And it looks like there was a fake out this morning, but we're still riding this 13 EMA down. But yeah, it's like if you have a hard time reading a chart, it's like there are thousands of stocks, and usually like whenever I'm like, okay, I don't like that chart, I just move on to the next and like find one that I like, because like forcing yourself to trade something that you don't necessarily like see or whatnot, is there's no reason to do that. You need to be on point with direction. You could honestly, yeah, direction and like the entry, um, yeah, entry and like take profits quickly, cause yeah, it's like I'm kind of getting worked right now. I'm still like having a good month, good year. I think like even if my whole account were to blow up, I'm still doing well, kind of. But it's like yeah, it's like everything I'm holding right now is Here, let's see. A question: can you on how options call can go dead? I have till Friday that. So when it comes to options dying, honestly, you're gonna want to look at the data for it. Here, let's so here, if we look at this Apple call, now you're gonna want to look at the delta and the theta. So if we look at Apple, so the delta is 26. So that means every dollar it moves is going to change. If it moves up, it's going to go up like $27. If it moves down, it's going to go down like $27. Or every dollar it goes up, it's going to move up 27. The contract's going to move up 27 cents per share or down 27 cents per share. So know that. And then going out, the next thing you're looking at is going to be the theta. If Apple stays the exact same price from today to the next day, the theta is 22. So that's going to be $22 off the contract. So if we look at something like this Tesla call that expires sooner, this expires Friday, notice the theta is a lot higher because it expires soon. You want to pay attention to the theta. Like the closer the expiration, typically the higher percentage of the contract the theta is. So yeah, that's going to be what you're looking at. The delta is going to be like, do you think it's going to be able to move enough? And the theta is like, hey, this is like we should probably be out of this Tesla by the end of the day, because this theta, the contract's worth 105, but this theta can pretty much kill the contract from today to tomorrow. So that would be kind of my best explanation about how the options contract can die, and it's going to be mostly because of theta. Think Apple will fall soon, then resist. That's a question, but I would need more kind of explanation. Like, I could see you saying fall, but when you say fall, do you mean like come down here? I don't know what you mean by fall, and I don't think I know where you mean by resist. 'Cause so I would need clarification. Apple, I would like to see Apple come down here and then hold, but yeah, I would like to see Apple come down here. I'll probably grab something to try to like ride up. Even here, I'd try to grab something at the money to try to ride up. Clearly, Apple is getting destroyed. I think everything's getting destroyed. Depends on your this depends on your what is it, time frame. But yeah, Apple right now, yeah, it's getting worked. But Apple in a week or two, low key, I might just average down on the ones I have. Like, I don't know if it would be more optimal for me to average down depending on what they are, or to get a different one. Think I think I might lean more towards averaging down at the, well, how much are they? Yeah, I could average down and get like maybe 2 or 3 if they come down here. That's okay. Let's see. Could you explain more about the time frames you're referring to when it comes to what I trade on the 4 hour? Honestly, when it comes to understanding the way I trade, here, let's see. I would just say watch that playlist in your free time, because I trade on like every different time frame. Is just like predominantly going to be the 4 hour, and that's going to kind of explain everything to you. Frank, my life, I put a call in. It was supposed to be a put, lost. Dang. No, I know how you feel. That's happened to me. Last time it happened to me, it was on Nvidia, and it was on some zero DTE, so it was bad. I was looking. I should have been up at least like 600, and I actually had to end the stream early because I was like, man, I'm done for the day, y'all. How long have I been trading? I think it's been like maybe 6 going on 7 years potentially, something like that. Like at the point where it's like I'm not like counting like that. It would be insane if the cup and hold formation is literally happening. So I don't know what a cup and hold is, but when it comes to cup and handles, I don't I don't know. In my experience, they don't always play out the way you'd expect. So I usually just go off the actual just market structure. All I'm saying, if Apple is at 200, I'm selling everything in my life, even. Oh, you said just to buy stocks. Okay. Honestly, looking at long term, oh, that's a weekly. Yeah, Apple's in a touch in a weekly demand. Honestly, There will likely be a point Apple comes back to 175. It wouldn't surprise me if it does this year. It looks like Apple. There'll probably be a. There could be a point in time Apple comes back to 130 as well. Let's go. Let's look on the monthly. Yeah, monthly wise, about 178 down to 162. Like 155. This just seems insane to me, but like 74. That's on the monthly. Well, yeah, some of these levels seem like wild, like ain't no way. We'll see. When you say success rate, what do you mean? Like, are you going profitability? Like, are you saying like how frequently do I win versus lose? Or are you talking about like percentage gain success rate? Win loss, honestly, I could not tell you. I think it like there would need to be a time frame because there are times when it's like, yo, I'm taking win after win after win, and then there are times I'm taking L after L after L. But if it comes down to the P and L, it's like the P and L is good. Like I would say even here, let's see. I think on the year, P and L is hold up. I was up at like 700, but the P and L on the year is at 427%. But what was I saying? But when it comes to win lose, I don't know. I lose a lot. Like I do lose a lot, but I also win a lot too. And most of the time when I lose, it's because I take profits too quickly. Like whenever I see no, I take losses too quickly. Like if we take a look at everything I'm in right now, like TTD, that's an L. Tesla, oh, it looks like it's becoming an L. SoFi, still up on that. UPST, that's an L. Apple is currently an L. But I don't know. Yeah, I don't know about realistically. JM, I don't need to be at a 52 for my win percentage. So let me show you something. All right, so if you're trading, I think I only need to be at like a 30% win rate to be profitable. So let's say what I'm looking at here, let me slide this over. Let's say the trade that I am watching, let's say this is my trade. So say I take a trade here and my intention is to ride it up to here. And my stop loss is something like this. All right. So if we take a look at this, all right, this is not uncommon for my trade to look here. Let's make it, I'm not usually going to ride it that deep. So more like this. Okay. So this is a trade for me. This is a standard kind of setup for a trade for me. So this gray portion represents a loss and this green portion represents a win. So if I win this trade, that's about $8.63. Whereas if I lose the trade, that is $2.51. So right here, if we look at this trade, $2.51, $2.51, $2.51. Oh wait, hold up. $2.51. All right, if you add all those up, that's 4 trades right there. And if you look at the trades, if you take the numbers 251 times 3, oh wait, hold up. 251 times 3 minus 863. Oh wait, hold up. Yeah, this still leaves me in the green $1.10. And this right here is 4 trades, and that's only a 25% win ratio. So it's like if you're taking trades with the proper setup and you're actually watching your trades, you don't need a 50% win ratio. Honestly, if I had to guess, it's probably below 50%. If I had to guess. But honestly, it could be there around 50%, but it also could be higher. So I really have no idea what my percentage is. I just know my wins are greater than my losses. My win rate is definitely negative, but did have a green week last week. Hey, good stuff. All right, so I'm probably about to get some more Apple calls, or I'm probably about to like average down on my Apple calls. Let's see. They're going for about 165. And I got like 3 of them. I might get another 3. Oh wait, hold up. Here, I'm gonna come down a little bit, see if we can see kind of how we look. We are kind of sweeping that level. I want to see if we can get in here. If we can get in here, I'll grab it, but if it looks like we're going to reverse beforehand, I still might kind of go for that. But I would like to wait till we got in here. Let's see. Come on down. All right, so we're coming down. Honestly, I don't think it's going to make that big a difference. So here, I'm going to... Let's see. Come on. Sell-offs intensifying. This is also closer to the support line of the SPY. Yeah, I'm gonna go on and let's see. Oh, they're trying to move it up. All right. Yeah, I averaged down. So wait, where is it? Oh, maybe I only got filled partially. No, I got filled. So yeah, I averaged down and I got them for 165. So it was the ones I already had. I just got them at 165, so I'm about to alert the family real quick. Let's see. Where are they at? Everyone just averaged down on Apple contracts, paid 165 per share. New average cost, let's see. It's my new average, 357. And then let's see. There we go. All right, let's see. What about rolling the current contracts? I'm honestly not too concerned with it yet, because I still think there will be a pop. And yeah, I'm not like, even if I just take kind of the ones that I just bought, like even if I take the 3 I just bought and just sell out of those 3, I'm not trying to like roll it yet. But honestly, that is something that you could do, but I just kind of where it's at. I would rather just kind of buy an average down on that position. Let's see. In general, is the higher the delta, the better the likelihood of a win? Or so higher the delta, the quicker you can see like greater profit, in a sense. Like if you're not looking at it from a percentage standpoint, you can see greater, like if you're like, hey, I'm trying to make $200. Okay, if you grab 4 contracts that are at a 50 delta and it moves $1 in the direction that you want it to move in, that's $200. Just like that. So it's like, when it comes to making a certain dollar amount, having the delta be at a certain level is going to that's kind of going to get you what you're looking for. For the same, yeah, I got it for the same day. So if we look, this is the call I'm in. It's actually gone down since I got it, but my new average cost, instead of being 545, is now, I want to say like 352, 357.5. Here, I need to edit that. There we go, 357.5. Oh wait, hold up. Let me edit that again. Oh yeah, 357. Yeah, we'll leave it there. Okay. So yeah, let's see. Here. What was the strike price and date? So I got, it was the, once again, let's see. March 21st and the 227.50. If I wasn't already in this, I probably would go for something closer to the money, but I'm already in it, so I just want to average down and kind of improve that situation. Hold on. Hey, AD, good morning, good morning. Been on a break after finally getting your own. Hey, nice. Got some privacy. That's nice. Hey, happy to have you back. Honestly, not a bad time to take a break. The market was taking a poop, but hey, it's dang, we're 50 cents in the green on the day. So as of right now, we're pretty close to break even. What do you mean by average down? Did Yeah, so I bought the contracts. I bought the contracts like at a much higher price on. All right, so Apple's in that demand zone now. But I bought it at a much higher price on the 10th, so on Monday. Yeah. Honestly, it would have been nice if I just held those puts I was in. Here, let's see. Where is this at on Apple? Here, let's. Okay. Yeah, so now this is just where we wait. Here, let's see. Yeah, the market would be questionable for my liking when I looked at it last week and for this week. Intel is doing, yeah, Intel they gapped up and they're still like holding. Like here, let me see. We did talk about Intel like a little bit earlier. Like didn't like talk about them, but we like looked at them and saw. Okay, so Intel is there's a good chance they come down to close this gap, but yeah, Intel gapped up. They're up about 3.5% on the day, and yeah, they're looking all right. It looks like they're holding up at their 4 hour 13 EMA. Yeah, we'll just have to see. It's not anything like honestly I would want to see them kind of fill this in first, but yeah, they're looking decent. But now I kind of feel like we can start coming back to life. Hmm. Tesla is trying. Let me look at them on a 4 hour. Yeah, Tesla's looking good. Spy is Spy is at the bottom of his range, kind of. Let me pull Nvidia back up, see how that's doing. It's still holding at that 114 level or above it for now. Let's see. Come down lower. Yeah, it's still riding this EMA. Yeah, so Nvidia looks good on the day. Tesla still looks good on the day for me. Let me come check in on SoFi again. What's your stop loss? I don't have one. Not numerically. Yeah, I don't have one. It's like I will see through events, but like right now I'm just looking at Apple is like oversold on the 4 hour. I am looking at Apple is in like a what is this, a weekly demand zone? Nah, it's in a I guess it's in a 4 hour demand zone. Yeah, 4 hour demand zone, level of support right here. So I would say like I would give it a little bit below. I'll give it like to 213, and it's like beyond that, it's like I'm done. But there is no dollar amount. There is kind of like a timing. It's like after like if it hasn't made the move by Friday, I'll probably have to move it elsewhere. And also it can't come like below like 213, but there's not like a option stop price for me. Hold on a second. Un momento. Gotta go deal with something with my wife real quick. All right, I'm back. Okay, let's see. All right, let's see. Where we at? Where we at? I still remember how you helped me. Wait, hold on. Did everyone feel that happiness when the market was up for 2 seconds? Hey, really? Hey, I mean, I wouldn't say necessarily sadness because it's like there's a silver lining for everything. Like right now, like we're about to have like once again, I don't think it's going to be like a long-term bounce back for highs, but we're going to have a pop, whether it be tomorrow, whether it be Friday. Like we're about to have a good pop. Like these Apple contracts are going to pay. They may not pay today, but they're going to pay. Um, I'm hoping Tesla is the only one that's kind of like I'm being like super risky for it. The SoFi is going to pay. I'm gonna be real. TTD, hey, that one's not looking so hot. Um, Upstart, I may have to cut. We'll kind of see. Wait, actually, how much time do I have on Upstart? Till net? Yeah, I may have to see on Upstart. If we don't get like a good move by Friday, I'll have to cut out on that. But yeah, TTT is dead. Yeah. I still remember how you helped me make 2K off Uber in a day. Hey, you made that move. That's all you, family. Um, yeah, I might have just you identified that. That's all you. Hey, JM, let's hit that like button. Oh yeah, yeah. Hey, not a bad idea. Come through, smash the like button. Oh yes. Testimonial, testimonial. Oh, testimonials are key. Keep doing your thing. Appreciate that. Bro, you should become a professor. Professor Matthew. I'm not sure how I feel about that. I think I'd rather be like a coach. Like, cause I'm not just here in the classroom or in the charts per se, but it's like I also would like to, translate to the field. Like, so it's like in high school, I had these coaches that were coaches. I mean, honestly, the majority of them didn't teach much. Some of them did, but it's like, most of them would be like, yo, let's play this video or whatever. I mean, that's cool too. They're still like, they would show good videos, but it's like, they're teaching in the classroom, coaching on the field. Hey, that's where it's at to me. Stocks 101, got you. Appreciate you, family. Can you take a look at? Yeah, let's take a look at code. So right now it's still like this is still part of that range. So like wait, hold up. I have a range right here. I think that's for the weekly. I don't know exactly where that's from. I feel like these charts change. Wait, is that like a monthly? That doesn't. I don't know. I don't know where this upper level came from. Oh, I think that was like I think I said if we wake up there, we'll see. But yeah, really this should be like more over here. But we kinda already did kinda wick that. Oh, hold up. What's going on there? But yeah, let me go back to the 4 hour. So looking at the 4 hour, it looks like we kind of broke the support, but we got another support, like kind of right here, down here at 69.45. And there's a wick down to 69.33. So we'll just acknowledge that that's there, but honestly, not too much to say unless it like breaks below that. Uber on the 4 hour. Let's see where Uber is. Yo, I need to eat something. Let's see. So Uber is in the demand zone, but it's like it didn't spend very long at this area. So this is an area, and it already kind of reacted from it. So this one could be dead, but I want to wait till it passes to officially call it dead. So Uber next demand is going to be around like 65.50 or so, down to about 64.90. What trades did you take on Apple again? So I took a call on like I'm way down on this, so beware. Like you can see, like from where I entered, it's down 75%. So this is, yeah, I'm way down on it. Be aware of that. But yeah, I got a Apple 227.5 call expiring March 21st. All right, it's looking like we're coming down now. Do I have any puts? Do I have any way to profit from puts? Nah, I'm probably not going to, because we got that VIX coming back up and the PCE is about to be about where it closed yesterday. It's 5% away from where it was yesterday. All right. The Nasdaq is really here. Let's see. Yeah, they're just playing with us today. Yeah, the Qs is still in that range I have. Like it like faked out earlier, but it's still in that range. Hey, give me a second. I need to go get something for my camera because my wife is trying to use it and she's about to leave in a moment. All right. Um, yeah, we're coming down. Here, let's okay. Yeah, we got Tesla. How much? We got 26 minutes till market or till Euro close. So that should give us some information. Made money off puts yesterday, and so far, hey, I'm glad to hear you winning, family. Hey, no problem, Devin. Thanks for watching. Thanks for like actually watching, cause a lot of people like ignore the fact that I put those videos in, and they just come straight to me to ask questions. And now it's like I don't really have the capacity to answer everyone individually, unfortunately. What happens when Europe closes? So the money from like the people trading in the European markets, some of them they're not satisfied with the trading they got for the day and they want some more. So they will come over and trade on our markets. Let's see. Yeah, so usually we'll find more volume or we'll get more volume at Euro close, and with that increase in volume, there will also be how do I say? We'll see increased movement. All right. Dang, Apple is bleeding. Okay. Yeah, let me take a look. IonQ still holding up. That's cool. Let's see. SoFi, where's SoFi is still like $1 from the money, so I'm chilling on that too. Dang, we'll really have to see. right, let's look through. So we got eBay, Honest. Trying to find the big mover here. Let's look at Hims. Hims is down 4% on the day. Still in that range. Let's see. Rich Tech Robotics. Do you usually only trade one stock at a time or multiple contracts within different stocks? So I try to usually I'll try to only focus on one and not be as between a lot of stocks, but kind of just depends. Like right now I have a good amount. I don't like to go all in on one thing. Like I'm not going to throw my whole account at one thing. I'll usually be between some things. But yeah, I don't even know what I was about to say. But yeah, usually I'm kind of like spread out a little bit. But I try not to take multiple trades at once. All right, so a lot of like I'm looking at the quantum. Quantum looks like it's doing the best on the day. Like I'm seeing ion Q's up 7, almost 8% on the day. Rigetti's up 2, QUBT's up 6.3. What else? SMCI is up 4.68. KULR is up 2.7. Tesla's up 5%. Nvidia's up 4.4. It's an interesting day. But my boy Apple is down. Here, we'll cut that out. Yeah, we gotta help my boy Apple. Let's look at Palantir. Oh, that's on a 15 minute. Yeah, Palantir's still chilling in that range. Yo, what's going on? Let's come look at Bitcoin, see how that's doing. Yo, we are still just kind of chilling. We got the PCE climbing up, trying to climb back where it was yesterday. Yeah, I'm really interested to see how this day closes out. This thing charges kind of fast. So let's see. All right, one more second. Gotta go grab something. I miss anything? Yeah, the stocks are still. Here, I'm gonna drop to a lower time frame. See if I can actually Tesla might let's see if we get a break and retest. Cause we got the break on the lower time frame. Let's see if this ends up being a retest. That'll be cool. We're looking like on the 4 hour. Let's check the one. Yeah, that'll be clean if this is a break and retest. I would love that. What else were we? Let's look at SoFi. I don't think that would be the case for SoFi. Still riding the 13 on the 1 hour. See if we can hold this 1150 area. What else were we looking at? Apple. Dang, Apple is yo, they are. Let me check news. Let me make sure there's nothing going on. Apple's delayed release of advanced Siri to softer iPhone replacement cycle. Oh, lead to, that's not really anything. That's kind of an overreaction in my opinion. Bank of America, Apple, IBM offers stability in IT hardware. Okay. UK competition probe finds issues in mobile browser market. I don't see anything specifically coming for it. If SPY doesn't get his act together, I'll just divorce it. I don't understand. So right now SPY is very much so in a range. But I do want to leave, like, I do want to say that this is a target. We're going to come visit this. I guess not today. Maybe. So once again, we have, this was today. Tomorrow morning we have PPI. So that's another chance to get another pop and come higher. And then we got consumer sentiment on Friday as well. So it's like all those things are kind of I think consumer sentiment will kind of go negatively, but everything else I think will kind of be a little bit more of a positive experience, or at least stock wise. But yeah, the SPY very much, I think they're just trying to like trap people and collect money. So it's going to be very, very dangerous to get anything that expires this week. Let's see. You definitely a coach. Thanks. Appreciate you, Clutchy. Also want to take this time to say, make sure you are caught up and live. I'm not sure how far back behind, but yeah, if you scroll down, look at the video, make sure that where it's live, you see that red dot instead of the gray, because if it's gray, you're likely behind. So if it is gray, try to click on it and you'll be kind of brought back up to speed. SoFi. Okay, SoFi. Hey, we're here trying. Here, let me take another look at UPST. Oh, that's not where I was trying to do that. Upstart. Let me look at this on the weekly. Honestly, it's still. Here, let me draw that little demand. See if we're still in the territory of holding up. Yeah, we're still holding up. That's fine. What else keep going over there? Okay, We have 42 lurkers, not likers, in the house. Wow, that is a lot of non-liker lurkers. Hey, what y'all doing? Why y'all just lurking? Y'all think y'all can just lurk through in the family like that? Hey, the family. Hey, we got eyes, family. We got eyes out here. 32 non-liker lurkers. Hey, make sure we come through. Hey, roll through, smash that like button, and we gotta eliminate the lurkers. Come say what's up in the chat. Let yourself be seen, or at the least just smash the like. Yeah, awesome. Hey, all coming in to say, hey, hit the like, family. The way you explain information on your videos is great. Some people are excited or all over the place. You keep it calm. Hey, that's how it has to be. Like, um, honestly, I feel like if you get too excited, I mean, it's like there's nothing wrong with the feeling of excitement, but I feel like there's a place for it. Like, I definitely get excited about things. You'll see me get excited on stream, but it's like sometimes that carries over into stocks, and that's not what you want to see, or that's not what you want to do. It's like, yeah, I don't know. You also don't want to be too devastated. So it's like if I feel like devastated, like last time I really felt that was once again. I want to say it was in like October. I was trying to do some day trades, um, and I got the wrong direction. I think I got calls when I was trying to do puts or whatever. Yo, I was like, y'all, I'm gonna have to close this out. That's gonna be a day. Yeah, yeah, I'm not even feeling right now. So I was like, yo, yeah, let's cut out of here. But okay, let's see. For now, when trading, spy the news, not the charts. I wouldn't necessarily. No, I would say the charts still do the thing because it's like a lot of this stuff I was saying could happen has been happening, and it's like, oh, I don't even know how to do it. Like a lot of the swings and stuff I've been taking, where it's like on Friday is here, and then it's like, oh, I just Monday the market opens up to, oh yeah, there's a couple $1,000 right there. That's charts. When it comes to like intraday charts, like if you're trying to make money today, I don't trust the charts that much, or it's like you need to be quick. But like there's still like good charts. But there's a little bit of both. Vaughn caught me, I was lurking, but hey, appreciate you. And hey, you're not lurking anymore, and you also like, hey, appreciate you, family. Not a pro, just have been working for me the last month. Oh yeah. I mean, honestly, there's some validity to that. Only thing I gotta say about the news though is um I learned this in maybe it was 2020, maybe it was, I don't know what year it was. We can like go back and look real quick. It might have been 2020, but was this over here? Oh no, we didn't go back that far. It might have been 2020. Definitely made money on 2020, and maybe over here. I think it might have been like 21 through 2022. But it was like we kept getting all this negative news that would normally move the market down, but the market had sold off so much, and often the market gets ahead and prices things ahead of time, that the market was done moving down, even though we continue to get all the negative news. And the market was moving up, so it's like I was better off looking at the charts than just the news, because after so much selling off, there will be a point when we stop reacting to the downside, even though we keep getting hit with all this negative news. So I would say, honestly, keeping a balance between the two is going to be better than just going one way or another. Okay. My life be like, hey, no lurking, no lurking. Hey, yeah, we got eyes out here. Hey, same for me, Trey. Hey, oh wait, okay, I got you. Okay, do you ever use level 2 to check It's been a while, but I do sometimes. Yeah, so that's I think the only I think I look at level 2 on Robinhood too. Yeah, I do that. I have the Robinhood Gold. That's one of the other cool features on Robinhood Gold is the level 2. But yeah, I do that sometimes. It's been a minute though. Sometimes I'll look at like the options analytics on Moomoo. All right, let's see. All right, we got 6 minutes to Euro close. We are kind of buying up into it. So we might have some Europeans pushing up the market right now. Yeah, usually it's going to be the few minutes coming in and the few minutes going out. But yeah. Here, let's see. Oh, there we go. There we go. I'm like, what's going on? But yeah. Okay, let's see. Yeah, SoFi is trying to go back up. Tesla's trying to go back up. Apple is a little bit trying to go back up, but not really. It's let's see. Yeah, it came a little higher, but yeah, it's trying. We're trying. We're trying to do things here. Um, yo. All right, family. I'm gonna let y'all know I got a hard out at Euro close. Um, I gotta make sure my wife knows what she actually needs to do with this stuff that I'm about to give her. So I gotta do some quick coaching there too, because things can often go terribly wrong without a little guidance, and I need to offer that. You're very very welcome, Chidi. All right, okay. I see the ratio. Hey, I'm seeing the ratio. Okay, I see we got 101 people on. I see we got 85 likes. That means we still got. Hey, we got 16 lurkers. Hey, I'm gonna come through. Lurkers, non-likers. I'm gonna come through. I'm gonna go on do a little smashing. Hey, see smooth, see smooth. Hey, peace out, see smooth. I'm still like, I'm gonna still be here through Euro close, but I'm just letting y'all know it's gonna be abrupt at Euro close because I still want to see what happens, but I'm just letting y'all know so y'all don't get caught by surprise. It's like, oh yo, why did homie leave so fast? So yeah, if you have any questions or anything, this would be the time to ask too. If you have like any burning questions, like yo, go on, get those in, family. Yeah. Also, hopefully you're not too. Oh shit, we got 10 now. Okay, only 10 lurkers. Okay, oh, 9 lurkers. Yeah, I'm gonna come through and yeah. Once again, I'm gonna drop a like on the. Let me come through. Use my little burner account real quick. Oh, hold up. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, got that in there. Okay. Looking good, looking good. And yeah, we're moving. Hey, Tesla woke up a little bit. You're good, mate. You're good. And let's see. Let's see. Hey, peace out at Chuhu. Hey, thank you for stopping by. And thanks for not just lurking. Hey, like to say what's up. When that okay. Do you have an average amount you usually spend each trade? Honestly, in a regular market, it might be like $200 or $300, but it's like right now, it might be like more like $500. So it's like right now it's like not average. Right now it's a very uncomfortable time to be trading. If I'm being realistic, like everything's so expensive, and it's like it's a tough time. Like whenever you have the volatility index this high, it's at like 25.8 or 25.85. Yo, they charge money for these options. All right, so we got a minute till Euro close, like official Euro close. So I'm going to but we're already just know this little like upward movement we're getting right now. That's from Euro close. That's volume coming in from Europe. All right, so I'm gonna take this time to say thank you so much for stopping by. Appreciate you taking the time, coming and visiting the stream. I know there are 1,000 other places you can be, lots of other things you could be doing with your time. You choose to come through, spend it with the family. So first off, hey, thank you. I hope you have a blessed day. I hope, hey, I hope whatever trades you're in end up going in your favor. Anyone doing anything that I'm in, hey, I hope this bag accelerates and comes faster. The bag is coming, but I hope it comes faster. I know it can be hard to wait for these things, first off, because I'm waiting for it. But yeah, other than that, yo, have a blessed day. Let's get this bread. Yeah, Matthew Manuel signing off. And I want to change your life. Here, let's see. Oh, hold on. Let me do this real quick too. My wife gave me this to those y'all that haven't seen it. I know I just said it, but all right, all right, all right. So let's see. Peace out, Cheaty. Peace out, C Smooth. Peace out, Devin. Peace out, Mahishu. Yeah, hopefully you rejoin me on Monday. Hopefully the Lord says the same. Peace out, D Scurv. Peace out, Josh. Peace out, Henry. Peace out, Yoko. Peace out, Julie. Peace out, all. Peace out, Mass 3DRC. You have an amazing day. My life be like. Peace out, JM. Peace out, another JM. JM and JM. Hey, top of the morning, but hey, we're rolling out, JM. Peace out, Josue. Peace out, Achuhu. Peace out, Brandon. Peace out, Video Relo. Hey, peace out. Yo, y'all have a blessed day. Peace. Peace out, Breeze.